build the cornerstone of technology. The high-performance JL23, JL24, JL35 printed circuit connectors developed and produced by TXGA. The plug adopts an advanced hyperboloid wire spring gold-plated jack structure. The envelope surface composed of the wire spring wire and the ferrule tightly wraps the pin in the socket to form multi-wire contact. Under the flexible clamping of the wire spring to the pin, the terminal insertion force is even and soft, ensuring that the product maintains reliable contact under strong shock and vibration, and is suitable for various working environments. Under the same conditions, the hyperboloid spring jack structure achieves higher current density, lower contact resistance, and more stable transmission effect. The product has low failure rate and long service life, and realizes highly reliable and stable transmission of equipment data. The product socket includes straight and curved ends, which can be inserted at 90 degrees and 180 degrees respectively after through-hole soldering on the PCB board, and provides single-ended wiring harness and double-ended wiring harness. Realize highly integrated modular design on PCB board. JL23, JL24, and JL35 printed circuit connectors of TXGA have passed the 96-hour salt mist test to adapt to the harsh environment of -65 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. It is currently widely used in the national defense military industry. It is currently widely used in the embedded computers, telecommunications equipment, industrial machinery, and medical care equipment. JL23, JL24, and JL35 printed circuit connectors of TXGA